What's poppin', people? I'm Aeon
and I'm Luna,
and it's Aeon and Luna TV.
And you are welcome to our channel once again. Thank you so much for staying around. If this is your first time, do not forget to hit that.
Or like I always say, you can wait to the end of it. Trust me, you still subscribe anyway. Like I'm not doing now.
Seriously? Nah. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when we have a new video out. As you read from the title, today's video is another knowledge dropping video. Like we said, Aeon and Luna TV, we're all about the entertainment and the information because I mean, both of those go hand in hand, I feel. And today's video is all about how you can go about starting a YouTube channel in 2021. Starting a YouTube channel now. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Before we jump into the things you're going to release, I'd just like to talk about what I like to call the 3 W's that you need to ask or you need to know before you start your YouTube channel. I feel
the first is why.
Yes.
Why do you want to start a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Now I know you may have various reasons. Okay, I want to make money. I just want to be famous. I mean, there are a lot of big YouTubers. I mean, we watch, you see them all the time. But maybe you subscribe to that may be why. But don't, like we said, don't forget to have a passion.
Yes.
A reason, something that will motivate you into creating more content. Because YouTube is not just as fun as it seems. You need to be dedicated.
Yes.
You need
like
motivation.
Everything.
Yeah.
And why is important is because your why will equals to your motivation. Your why is what is going to motivate you to start that channel.
Because you need energy and consistency.
Yes. So when you have that motivation, it's equals to your passion, and then from passion, of course, automatically you're going to get the energy to want to do it. Automatically the consistency will be there because you are always going to want to be making content. So basically your why, very important when you want to start it.
Don't mind me.
The next we're going to be talking about is the what. What do you want to do on YouTube? Yes, you know this might seem like a stupid, redundant question. Of course, I want to create videos.
Videos of what?
Do you do on YouTube?
Videos of what?
Videos of what? What are your content ideas? What is the niche you are going into? When you have what you are, your what in order, what you want to do, you know who to target with your content, and then when you target the right people for your content, trust me, that's going to equals to your viewer or your subscriber retention. It's going to result in people wanting to see more of your videos because that is what they want to see. You are creating content that they actually want to see, so they are actually going to stay watching.
And that thing
because this. So before you get into YouTube,
be sure you know your what.
Then the third W that you need to know is the who. Who should be watching your video? Yeah, you should ask yourself that question when you are actually planning. When you write down, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do on YouTube. You yourself ask yourself that question: who should watch my video?
It's just like when you're starting a business, you want to know your target market.
Yes,
it's kind of the same thing. You want to know who are the type of people that you want to get to.
Those 3 W's, trust me, if you ask yourself those 3 questions and you're able to find complete answers, trust me, your bases are covered for your channel. Now let's move into the nitty-gritty details, which are the tools and what you need. First of all, you need a camera because that's a no-brainer. Yes, you create video content, you need to record it with a camera. Use a 4 HD camera or a DSLR camera. I'll be showing you popping some there on the screen so that you guys can see. These ones we're popping on the screen are really super affordable. There are some of them for like less than $200, which I know is a good price. It's a good deal for a lot of people, and it does shoot great. Just some additional tips when you're going on YouTube. If you want to start your YouTube channel and you know you want to make it work, you want to get some cash from it, you want to make it a successful YouTube channel,
or a career, you want to turn it into a career,
a side career, a mid career. One thing is
consistency. It matters a lot if you are consistent.
Yes.
You don't like do one video, take off for a month, and then you do like that. People don't want to see that. I have a relationship.
Yes.
I feel like I don't matter to you. I subscribe to your channel because I want to see more of you, and you're not giving me attention. So consistency.
YouTube successful this year. Keep consistency at the forefront of your mind. And going along with consistency, just another tip that we have for you guys is to do your research. No matter what it is, even if you're a vlogger, try to be in touch with what is happening. Know what is popping, know what people are talking about, what people are feeling. So when you are vlogging, you can touch on those topics that your audience can relate to, because there is nothing like relatability. Like I can't explain the feeling when I'm watching like my favorite YouTubers and they do something like, oh my god,
same,
so true. Like that feeling of having something in common or being able to relate with what your audience is feeling is very important, and you can't do that if you do not know what is going on around the world.
Especially like she mentioned earlier, the importance of knowing who your subscribers are.
Yeah, and knowledge is never wasted.
Keep it up to date with current happenings.
And the main, you want to make your YouTube boom, you got to know how to push that stuff. Because trust me, you are not just going to take your videos and post them on YouTube and voila, yes, your video has arrived. Trust me, like, we wish it happened that way. I wish it happened that way. Trust me, we all wish. But it takes work. You need to have some marketing strategy down or the other. And then again, you need to tell people, tell your family, tell your friends. What people are looking for in YouTube is either knowledge or entertainment.
Yes.
If you cannot provide any of these two, say it. Just leave it. That is the end. Just say it. It ain't gonna work. Nah. So you need to either be giving out some knowledge, or you need to be entertaining the heck out of people, or that's just it. Like Isa says, your channel is gonna die hella fast. So just keep that in mind. Have the knowledge part down.
Yeah.
Or you have the entertainment part down.
You need to know what you're doing in
generally. So those are our tips for starting a YouTube channel this year and making it into a success, growing it and making it into something big. You need to put in the effort, like I said, because having all these plans and all those things are not putting the effort.
Yeah, not taking that necessary
not gonna work.
Step.
So make sure you have the plan and take the action. And trust me, it's going to build in results for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Yeah, if you like the video or you found anything that we're saying useful, let us know in the comment section. I appreciate you guys comment.
Yes, really, like, it makes my day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for leaving the comments. If you have any questions or you feel like there's some topics we should cover in the next video,
or that question you want to know personally,
just leave it for us down in the comment section, and we will do our best to answer those in upcoming videos.
And let me know if you want me to prank her.
Oh, hell no. They do not want to. Are you kidding? Because you are the one that will prank me, right? No.
Let me know if you want me to prank her. You see?
No, they do not.
You see?
No, they don't. I am not about to be the target. Are you kidding me?
Really?
You're supposed to be, sisterly love. You know what I mean? No pranks here. Thank you guys for watching this video. It has been so much fun to create this video.
Definitely.
And as usual, do not forget to stay blessed,
stay hot. Bye.